Sometimes, place names tell their own stories, and Jamaica's towns, districts, rivers, and streets have some really interesting names. Some are misleading, some are derived from family names, and some don't mean what you think they mean. Often the names denote a geographic feature or landmark. For example, Above Rocks, Red Ground, Blue Mountains, or Corner Shop. Some were named after the original landowners, as in Tommy Bush or Sanganetti. Others were named for the homelands of immigrants who settled there, as in Dublin Castle, Irish Town, Egypt, Bengal, Skibo, or Aberdeen. Some of Arawak names, as in Jamaica and Ligani, are Spanish, as in Aracabesa, Ocherias, or Rio Grande. Some have a British name, as in Somerset or Highgate. Many of Jamaica's place names are humorous, as in Jackass Alley or Beverly Hills. Others describe the distance from somewhere else, for example, 3 Mile, 4 Mile, 7 Mile, etc. Some are biblical, such as Bethlehem, Silo, and Mount Arab, and some reflect the abundance of a plant or animal in that area, as in Anatobe, Cashew, Hog Hole, Breadnut Bottom, and Sorosop Tern. But many of the names are just purely Jamaican. Jamaicans enjoy naming things and they call it as they see it. So these place names might describe an incident that happened there or a particular feeling or sentiment they want to convey, such as Rest and Be Thankful, Me No Call You No Come, Bad Times, Broke Neck Gully, Halfway Tree, Put Together Corner, Dump, Shambles, Rat Trap, Poor Man's Corner, Sally's Delight, Betty's Hope, Thankful Hill, Boldness, Good Design, Excellent Town, Happy Retreat, Artis, Friendship, and Welcome. And yes, those are all the names of real places in Jamaica. There are stories behind most of the names, and it's quite interesting to learn how they originated. While many of the reasons for the names have been forgotten generations ago, here are some of the weirdest names of places in Jamaica. AUCHTEMBEDDIE, found in Manchester. This name is German in origin, and I dare you to try and pronounce it. Old Woman Savannah. Located in Clarendon, the name is reportedly tied to a story of an old Spanish woman who would not leave Jamaica when the English seized control of the island in 1655. Although her house and property were taken, she was given permission to stay in the island. She moved to the country and the name Old Woman Savannah was born. What a small piece of history. Put Together Corner. A spot near Mandeville, Manchester, the area gets its name from the reported tradition of market women resting their loads and preparing themselves to go to market. Corn Puss Gap, found in St. Thomas. The area is so named due to a legend that a lost Ica caught, corned, and ate a cat. Me No Send You No Come. Nestled in the cockpit country, St. Elizabeth. The area got its name from the group of Maroons from Accompong who were not too keen on visitors stopping by. I don't call for you, don't come by. Duppy Gate. Duppy Gate is in St. Andrew, and Duppy is a Jamaican slang term for ghost. Legend has it that the gate is haunted by the ghost of an officer from the days when the West India regiments occupied the base. Soldiers have reported visits from a mysterious officer dressed in period uniform with a sword slapping against his leg, who would suddenly vanish as they were ready to report it. Labor in vain. It may just be the one section of St. Elizabeth that crops scarcely grow. The lack of rain in that general area has made farming extremely difficult, hence the unique name. Tri-C. Found in St. Ann, the spot was named because of the former slave who received land nearby. The slaves were encouraged to try and see if they could make a living off the land. Catherine's Peak in Portland is named for Catherine Long, the wife of famed pirate-turned-governor Sir Henry Morgan. She is believed to have been the first woman to scale the 5,050-foot high peak. Halfway Tree in St. Andrew. was originally Halfway Tree Pen, owned by the Hodgkin family for over 130 years. It is claimed that Halfway Tree was named for a cotton tree which was at the junction of 4 roads. The tree is said to have existed there from before the conquest of the island in 1655, and until 1866 it was halfway between two places, Greenwich, a British soldier base, and a fort in Spanish Town. The soldiers always rested at this spot before proceeding to the fort. There are written references to Halfway Tree going back to 1696. Danks in Clarendon was known as Danke. Sir Henry Morgan, former governor of the island, and yes, the pirate Henry Morgan, was the owner until he gave it to his wife of German nationality, and she said Danke, meaning thanks in German. What are some other interesting and funny place names you know? If there are any, please let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. It was really a pleasure having you here. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and share it so that others can get the information also. Thank you so much. You do have a wonderful day.
Elite Jamaica. Don't forget to drop a like and a comment. Don't forget to subscribe.